So we are at our dashboard again, and this time around, we want to finalize with our home page. Then after that, we shall connect the home page to the actual domain. So what I'm going to do is to go to pages again, then all pages. And then after that, I'll choose this first one. I didn't give my home page a title. That's how I know it. So I'll click on edit it. Okay, so I'm going to remove this navigation because remember I created a navigation in the template. So I'm going to remove it from here so that we have only one navigation menu. And then even this block, I'm going to have to remove it. So I click on delete, and then even here, I'm going to delete also this and this as well. There are so many blocks inside one. Okay, so we can leave that as that. Okay, there we are. So it's gone now. I'm going to delete this spacer too. Can only put a spacer if we notice that over there is no space there. So I want to work on these images so that our site looks good. So when I click on the image, I click on the three line and then I place it in the center. Then I do the same to other images. Place it in the center like that. So even this text, I want to centralize it. This also need to make it centralized. Then after that, I'm going to save. Okay, so let's see how our home page now looks. So now you see the other navigation was removed and our home page has just one navigation. So when we check on these links, this is the footer we put earlier on in the other template. So when we check on these links, if we click on this, let's see what it does. It gives us the about page. So this is not what it should be doing. Okay, we shall fix that soon. Actually, right now we are fixing it. So I'm going back to edit my page. Edit my page. So I do this. I copy that link first, and then I click on edit page. And then if I click on pages under template again, let's see edit template. And then I look for this navigation. Under this home, I want to change the link. Wow, the almighty big hand. Here is the link. It's going to be this. By the way, you can also, change put the page title in home and have it instead of 45-2, you have it as home. There we are. We save this. See what happens. So when we go back, we are going to check on our site again. So if I click home this time around, it leaves me at home. Yes. And if I click on about, let's see about, it takes me to about. And if I click on gallery, it takes me to gallery. Yeah, so now you see our site is actually, working and everything is well set. So now we are going to go back to the dashboard and we are going to link our page to our our domain, which is tutorialphotos.wordpress.com. If you get money, please buy a custom domain name. It's better. So I'm going to scroll down to settings, link our domain. From settings here, I go to reading, click on reading, and then your home page displays your latest post, but I want my home page to be one of the pages. So I click the second option of a static page, select below, so I click that. And then for the home page, I'm going to select this 45 with no title. After that, I scroll down, I save the changes. So when I save the changes, now if we go to our main site, we shall not see the template anymore. We shall click visit site, and this is our site under our domain name at tutorialphotos.wordpress.com, and we are now set. So this is how they make a website. I hope you learned something and all that. Yes, I hope you learned something and you're going to, put this in practice and all that. Yeah, so this is it basically. Um I hope that you manage to make your site. I wish you the best in designing your website. And comment. Make sure that you comment, like, share, so that other people can learn too. Have a great web design journey.